So today we might be going and getting a new member of the family. Potentially a Shiba Inu. So this will be a very precious moment. So I was looking around yesterday for different dogs, and Shiba Inu I've had my heart set on, and he's perfect. And I have a name, Kenji. I'm locking it in right there. And it means intelligent ruler because apparently he's a sassy little smart dog. So we're gonna go and check on him now. And then if it's all a right fit and everything's perfect, they're gonna prep him. And then when I come back from London, I'm gonna pick him up.
Perfect.
So let's just go.
Let's get to it.
So he sent another video now where the dog is there and he said he's a little afraid. I think he's scared that I'm not gonna like him. But every time he sends a video, I'm like, oh.
You're melting.
Yeah, I'm melting away.
Melting every time he sends a video.
Such a nice puppy, man. And the colors, and they sent a picture of the mom and dad, and both are lovely dogs. So, fingers crossed. I just feel like it's a great time in my life to get a pup. You know, I work from home, so yeah, man. Apartment's all set, everything's all set.
Car is set.
Yeah, car's set. It's perfect car for him.
Go.
Exciting times.
Exciting.
So ideally, I could take him home today. I just want to see if the personality is a match now. And then that's it, man. Can I play with him? Or?
Yeah, just wear gloves.
Yeah? Oh wow. Oh wow, he's unreal. Right. Hello. Hi. Hello. Come. Dude, I love him. I'm taking him home. No one else is getting it.
All right, you guys heard it.
Kenji.
New PAPAFAM member, guys, right
Kenji.
here.
Come here. Hello, boy. Yeah.
Character also good.
He's very calm.
Hey, starting.
Hello. I feel like, you know, the customs with the glove.
Check the passport.
like-
All good?
Okay.
Stamp.
I swear. I don't think I could have asked for a more better doggy. Hello. Oh man, this gives me peace, 100%. And no one else is having him besides me. He's mine. I can just see it. I don't even care. You know what? I don't even mind. We have to figure out how he can be chipped and everything, looked after while I'm away. And then when I come back, I get to come and get you. He's like Simba. Got to take him to a vet to get something called kennel cough, and then they're gonna handle all the microchipping and everything, and then we're gonna pick him up. It's so hard because I want to just
Take him home.
take him home now, but we have to wait until everything's official, and then Okay, so we've decided. Little moment right now because I didn't expect to be taking him away today. So happy. I think I couldn't have asked for a better color, his personality, and out of all the dogs, he's the one that came straight to me. So yesterday I went and saw some other dogs. He is like, I love him already. Like, so we're gonna get him sorted out today. I'm gonna take him back to mine before we take him to the vet so he can smell things, and then what they suggested is while he gets his microchip and everything else done, take one of my t-shirts to be with him. That way he can like get familiar with my smell, and then when I come back, it's gonna be so hard because it's gonna be 20 days I think, and then when I come back I can collect him after they've finished everything that they need to do. So super excited, like very big moment. I think it's gonna be a special memory, special video for me.
Congratulations for your new baby boy.
Thank you. Hey. What do you think of the name Kenji? It means intelligent ruler in Japanese. Kenji. Oh, I think it is a ruler.
Yeah.
Kenji, yeah.
It's a famous name.
Yeah. I had Yoshi, Kenji, but Kenji's very cool. It suits him. Yeah. Oh, hello, buddy. Hey,
All right, he's coming home.
he's coming home.
Kenji.
Kenji,
Hey, Kenji.
say bye. Say thank you.
Japanese and having Japanese name.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Very nice. Let's go. Oh,
How'd you feel
I love
carrying
it. Oh, it's crazy. Actually crazy. He's my little bud.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna learn how to code. You're gonna be the first dog that codes.
It's
Yeah. You'll be the PAPAFAM mascot.
Papa mascot, for sure.
It's like on the happiest days of my life. I'm gonna forget I ever had to work.
You can wait.
Yeah.
Work can wait.
And then I'm gonna make you get used to your new home.
Definitely.
And then we're gonna get you registered at the vet, and then we have to get you microchipped and a few other things. Oh man, he's proper like special, dude.
So
Kenji,
cute.
say hello to Uncle Jay.
So cute.
Watches. So when he's sitting down here, I just grab him. Watches. Come. I'll just kidnap him over here. Come here. Chill with me. Chill. Calm. Like he will literally fall asleep like this. Look. This is it. This is just like. Imagine in the morning when I wake up. This is what I get. He'll just come sit with me. Like, look at his ears. And he's got this, like, bit of neck skin here. He's a cute boy. So I'm back from holiday. If you want to see how amazing my last trip was where I celebrated my 30th in Barbados, you can actually go over to my Instagram, it'll be on the page right now, and head over to this little circle that says 30 and you can see all the highlights. And yeah, but the main thing now is obviously had a beautiful, amazing time with the family, but now obviously expanded my family in Dubai, and we're gonna go ahead and pick up
Kenji.
So
go.
little man's been groomed, vaccinated, injected, everything that everything that he needed to have, and I've been getting videos of him every single day. And today is a big day, so let's go get him. Let's go. We're here to pick up little man. Let's go ahead and see his reaction. So now we're going to the pet shop because we need to get a couple of things for him, including like a little brush and a few things that I forgot the first time around. And yeah, and we switched his food to the good stuff. Now he's on the
royal
premium stuff.
The royal
Kenji
stuff.
gets the best. Mwah. And that's a wrap, guys. We have Kenji, little dude, back inside of the apartment, and all peace has been restored. Welcome to our latest member of the Papa Fam, Kenji. I mean, he's super occupied right now, but yeah. I'm gonna be teaching this little one how to code. Primarily TypeScript, a few of those things, you know what I mean? No, he's gonna get his puppy training now, which I'm gonna be delivering to him every single day or every single hour. And he's gonna be a good boy. So with that said, guys, hope you enjoy it. If you want to see more content on little dude here, Kenji, then let us know. We're dropping it in the comments. And Jay, what should they do if they haven't already for this video?
Like and subscribe.
That's it.
See you.
Ciao. Peace.
Your